Cortisol Detox, the Sanctuary Meditation. And before we begin, we have a special announcement today. New YouTube memberships are now available for those wanting extra motivation towards victory. Sign up and receive Legionnaire loyalty badges next to your name. Unlock a set of epic emojis. Join in on ongoing Legionnaire Discord chat for self-improvement discussion, and for those wanting maximum motivation on the journey to Elysium, there will be exclusive marches and videos to get you there. Click the new join button to sign up. Now let's commence! Legionnaire Jono folder. Do you know a really powerful way that can help you de-stress quickly and reduce your cortisol levels?
Good question, Tiberius. Let me guess. Meditation?
Yes, but not a normal meditation, a sanctuary meditation.
A sanctuary meditation? What is that?
A sanctuary meditation is a powerful guided meditation that you can visualize in your mind to really escape and get away. It allows you temporary retreat into an inner sanctuary out of the chaos and pressures of the modern world. It's a powerful method many famous leaders have used to help them succeed and reduce stress and cortisol in troubling times. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "People look for retreats for themselves in the country, by the coast, or in the hills. There is nowhere that a person can find a more powerful and trouble-free retreat than in his own mind. So constantly give yourself this retreat and renew yourself." Another famous leader, American President Harry Truman, had to bear the stresses of being a wartime president during World War II. However, unlike many other presidents before him, who all seemed to wither under stressful conditions, President Truman didn't seem to wear that burden of stress at all. When asked how he was able to manage to stay so stress-free, he replied, "I have a foxhole in my mind." President Truman was referring to an imaginary foxhole in his mind, a retreat where he could get away and rest, a totally secure and safe sanctuary free from the chaos and pressures of the outside world.
Sanctuary in his own mind? But how can that be? How does that work, Tiberius?
You see, positive imagination, visualization, and focused breathing can really help you to relax and reduce your cortisol levels. President Truman most likely visualized a safe retreat in his own mind where he would go away for a while and relax. A safe and secluded place where only he could relax, separate to the outside world. Mind visualizations can be a very powerful and positive tool for helping you to reduce your stress and cortisol levels. It's a bit like the movie Inception, but in reverse.
Is that the one where they designed the dream world?
Yes, but instead of designing a subconscious dream world, you do the reverse by consciously building up and experiencing an imagined retreat in your own mind. You build it up, you visualize it, you experience it in your mind, and your body and mind will begin to relax. You do it for a limited period of time to relax and reduce your cortisol levels. You take a moment, visualize the retreat in your own mind, relax, then return back to normal.
Most interesting. I will give it a try, but can you show me one as an example?
Sure can, Legionnaire John, but before we begin, this is most effective if you find a comfortable spot on the ground. Lay down with your eyes closed and relax. Listen to the video, do not watch it. You will get the best results by closing your eyes, getting comfortable laying down, focusing on your breathing, and really visualizing the meditation as we go. And for those Legionnaires watching on, if you can't find a relaxing place to do this right now, make sure to pause the video and come back to it later when you're all set up ready to go. Otherwise, you won't be getting the optimal results. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Now let's commence. Now, we're going to begin by doing some breathing cycles. I'm going to want you to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and release slowly for 4 seconds. Now, I want you to begin by inhaling steadily through your nose for about 4 seconds. Go. Now hold this breath for another 4 seconds. Now slowly exhale for 4 seconds. Now let's repeat this a few more times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now, I want you to keep repeating this calm and relaxing breathing cycle as we go. Focus on controlling and relaxing your breathing. Now, I want you to visualize white light. There is nothing around you but white light. You can feel the white light surround your skin and your body. You are on the way to the sanctuary within your own mind, a place that is safe, secure, and completely separated from the outside world. No troubles or worries from the outside world can come into the sanctuary. It is a place for you and only you, a place for rest and relaxation. Now, appearing out of this white light is a big wooden door. I want you to open that door and walk through. You've stepped through the door onto a dusty white pathway. You can feel the dusty pathway and small stones beneath your feet. You look around and see nothing but golden wheat fields and a clear blue sky. All around you, you can hear the beautiful sounds of nature. There are birds flying through the air chirping. Far off in the distance are rolling green hills. The bright yellow sun is high in the sky and it gently warms your skin. There is a soft, gentle breeze flowing over the golden wheat fields that you can feel across your body. The air is fresh and pure. You can hear the relaxing sounds of nature all around you. In front of you is a dusty white path going through the middle of the wheat fields. I want you to start walking up that path. As you walk up the path, you will see a green hill rising up in the horizon. On top of the green hill is a large orange Roman villa surrounded by tall green trees. This is your sanctuary. You are about to arrive at your sanctuary. This is the safest place in the world. Your sanctuary villa is surrounded by a beautiful blue moat with fish in it, a high, impenetrable stone wall, and a drawbridge that lowers to grant you access. No one except you and those who you choose can enter into the sanctuary villa. Only peace, safety, and security are allowed into this area. The drawbridge lowers and you cross over it into the courtyard. Your villa complex is large and spacious. It has a beautiful, sun-drenched garden courtyard with a swimming pool in the middle. Many rooms, a study, a temple of iron, and a tall bell tower in the corner. You dip your feet in the water of the pool. You can feel the rejuvenating coolness of the water on this warm, sunny day in your sanctuary villa. You take a moment to look around the garden that surrounds the pool. The garden is lush and green with many different beautiful plants. There are some amazing Roman sculptures throughout the garden, and there is some soft green lawn for reading books out in the sun. You take a moment to really take in the beauty that surrounds you. Now, I want you to get up and walk towards the bell tower in the corner of the villa. Go up it and walk up the stairs. Now, you're at the top of the tower and you can see far into the horizon. You now have a 360-degree view of the horizon that surrounds you. You see eagles gliding through the blue sky, a herd of deer grazing far off in the distance, and you even spot a bear slowly walking around in the far-off forest looking for berries. You take a moment here to relax and take in the beautiful view that surrounds you. Take some deep, slow breaths while you look off into the distance to see what else you can see. There is also a telescope in the tower for stargazing at nighttime. Now, I want you to go back downstairs towards your villa bedroom. You've arrived at your bedroom. Your bedroom is large and spacious, and there is a soft, large bed in the corner. Go to the bed and lie down on it. Now, I want you to take in some more slow, deep and relaxing breaths as you lay here on your bed. Breathe in slowly. Hold. Release. 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 Now keep repeating this a few more times while you relax on your bed. Now that you are totally relaxed, take a moment to think what else you would like to do in your sanctuary villa. Perhaps you would like to go explore the grounds and rooms further. There is a lot to see around this place. Maybe you would like to go in the swimming pool out in the sun, or even read a book on the green lawn. There are many different activities and rooms to explore in your villa. Take a moment to visualize what else you would like to do here. Now, you've spent some time relaxing, recharging, and breathing slowly. It's time to go back. There's a cellar room in the villa. Walk towards it, down the stairs into the cellar. At the end of the cellar, there's another large wooden door. Open it and go through it. As you open it, you see nothing but white light. Step through it and you will return back to the normal world. Open up the door and step through. Now open your eyes and you are done. The meditation is complete. How did you go, Legionnaire John? Did you enjoy that?
Yes, I did. It was a most refreshing experience. Thanks, Tiberius.
You see, positive, relaxing visualizations with focused breathing can be a very powerful way to recharge your batteries to deal with the challenges of the outside world. And for more motivation to succeed, make sure to join up to the YouTube memberships page. And if any Legionnaire wants to be featured in the next March, leave the Roman phrase "Vincit qui patitur" in the comments below. And for now, let's toast to victory! To victory! To victory! To victory! To victory!